latest updates on Australian agriculture visa. In today's video update, we will talk about the risk swarming in Australia's new Association of Southeast Asian Nations, agriculture visa. After years of resisting pressure from the Australian National Party and the farm lobby to create an agriculture visa, Australian Prime Minister Scott Morrison has at last relented. The government is negotiating a new agriculture visa for workers from Association of Southeast Asian Nations. Applicants can apply from November 2021 or early in 2022, subject to vaccination take-up in Association of Southeast Asian Nations. The pressure to create such a visa has existed for decades. However, after witnessing the problems created by a similar visa in the United States, and similar visas in Europe and the Gulf states, the Department of Immigration did not want Australia to become a low-skill guest worker society. That principle of Australian immigration policy was abandoned with the seasonal worker visa, the first Australian temporary visa dedicated to low-skill work, which was fully implemented from 2010, after a brief trial period. In May 2021, Immigration Minister Alex Hawke announced that overseas students could work full-time in the tourism and hospitality industry, making Australia's student visa essentially a low-skill work visa. Immigration officials around the world are aware of the problems with low-skill guest worker visas. Workers experience abuse and extreme levels of exploitation, high occupational health and safety risks, and racism. Low pay and poor conditions can also undermine the job opportunities of unemployed locals with few post-secondary skills. Government officials are well aware that the farm lobby expects a visa design that is more efficient as compared to the existing seasonal worker visa for low-skilled workers from the Pacific Islands and East Timor. The farm lobby will press for changes to the seasonal worker visa to reduce its protections and shift more of the cost burden from employers to workers, but it will still be less attractive to employers than the proposed agriculture visa. Another ongoing problem includes employers using piece rates as a means of underpaying workers. There would be merit in amending Australia's labour laws to require employers to pay either the minimum hourly wage or piece rates, whichever is higher in all instances. This might encourage more Australians to consider farm work opportunities. Each agriculture visa holder should receive a detailed briefing on what he or she should expect on arrival in Australia, how best to manage travel and accommodation arrangements, and how to lodge a complaint. The costs of these arrangements should be met by an industry levy on all employers using the agriculture visa, with charges based on the costs of resolving complaints against each employer. This would provide an opportunity for employers to resolve issues with their workers before they intensify. A tripartite industry, union and government body should be established to deal with complaints and given the power to prosecute employers and labour hire companies in breach of labour laws. The tripartite body can provide regular reports to each Association of Southeast Asian Nations to reassure them that their citizens are not being exploited. To establish support and protection, agriculture visa holders must be encouraged to join a suitable union before travelling to Australia. The union membership fees should be paid from the wages of workers after arrival in Australia. A detailed independent review of the agriculture visa must take place 12 months after it comes into operation. This is the end of today's video update. If you found this video update useful, then please share it with your friends and family on Facebook, WhatsApp, and Twitter. Thanks for watching today's update.